Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 unable to sync or cloud error. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This is a common error that can occur when there is a problem with the Steam Cloud synchronization for the game. Solution 1. Enable Steam Cloud synchronization. The first step to fixing this error is to make sure that the Steam Cloud synchronization is enabled for Baldur's Gate 3. You can do this by following these steps. 1. Open Steam. 2. Click on the Steam menu and select Settings. 3. Click on the Cloud tab. 4. Make sure that the Enable Steam Cloud synchronization for applications that support it option is checked. 5. Click on the OK button. Solution 2. Change the language of your Steam. If enabling Steam Cloud synchronization does not fix this error, you can try changing the language of your Steam to English. This is a workaround that has been reported to work for some users. To change the language of your Steam, follow these steps. 1. Open Steam. 2. Click on the Steam menu and select Settings. 3. Click on the Interface tab. 4. Under the Language section, select English from drop-down list. 5. Click on the OK button. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.